Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll basically be discussing with you about the MemeFi Airdrop or the MemeFi Airdrop, whatsoever you like to call it, but I like calling it the MemeFi Airdrop. And I'll love sharing this very particular airdrop with you. I'll also be discussing the criteria for this airdrop, how to qualify for the criteria in order to get your airdrop. And if you watch this video to the end, I'll be dropping with you 2 updates on how you can earn free Toncoin for yourself. And if you're someone who is interested in updates or stuff like this, don't forget to like this video, drop the word MemeFi Airdrop in the comment section, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that when I drop any amazing video like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification. If it's the first time on my channel, my name is Elijah, and what I basically do here on this channel is that I go out there in search of crypto airdrop and news, and I come right here on my channel and share it with you in order to keep you updated. If you're someone who is interested in stuff like this, join me as I basically introduce you to this MemeFi airdrop and guide you on the step-by-step guide in order to be able to get everything right before the listing. So with that guys, let's get right into the video. So right here on my screen guys, here is the airdrop criteria. Now according to what MemeFi says here, it says we have been working tirelessly to ensure your mining efforts are properly rewarded. The design of the airdrop has been a matter of extensive debate, discussion and research. Learning from past failures, we are putting immense effort into releasing this once in a lifetime opportunity for both you and us. This will be a complex non-linear weighted airdrop taking into account the data spanning all areas of the MemeFi ecosystem to prevent exploitation by cheaters and other malicious actors. Some criteria will remain hidden, marked as hidden criteria. Now on this very particular place, now we have the airdrop recipients are divided into 2 categories. Now what are these 2 categories? The 2 categories here are: 1, the Telegram app users, and secondly, the Web3 community. Now these Telegram app users are people like you and I who have tapped on our screen and accumulated tokens by completing some tasks on the MemeFi mini game. So those are for the Telegram app users. While for the Web3 community, these are the set of people who participated in the other game section, which is the testnet, the mainnet, the gal section, and the normie score holders and more. So those are the people for the Web3 community. Now right here it says for both user type there are core brackets user scores and bonuses bracket multipliers and criteria. So right here it says each airdrop is calculated as user score times the multipliers. All right now let's go ahead. I'm going to explain. Let's see if I can find any information around here to explain this very particular text which is written here. Right here it says Telegram app airdrop, and below it has allocation of 85% of MemeFi supply. And according to what I understand from this, it's saying that 85% of MemeFi supply will be going to the players, which is the airdrop players on the mini game. So this 85% is going to go to people like you and me who actually participated in the mini game section, which is also known as the Telegram app users. So below it you have the core eligibility criteria. This core eligibility criteria right now is where most of you are gonna get it wrong, or basically some of you are gonna get the dust which I'm talking about. But I'm gonna explain and guide you through how you can actually get through this. Now on this core eligibility criteria, it's not a choice. Right now it's either you are under one to be able to qualify, because right here saying these criteria are independent. Fulfilling only one is sufficient to receive the allocated airdrop, and that is why I said it's not by choice. But basically what is here right now is that they are going to be calculating your tokens according to how many ton transactions you've made and then how many coins you've accumulated, according to what I'm understanding right now. And if you basically look through what MemeFi has here, it says fulfilling one is enough, is sufficient. Now, for those of you who have completed ton transactions and buying of stars, like I've completed ton transactions, so I've done that and I'm eligible. And for this right here, it says amount of coins. For those of you who have accumulated amount of coins, but this very accumulation of amount of coins is unspecified, because MemeFi said that the people that are going to collect this amount of coins, it says only users who have collected a minimum amount of coins. Now this minimum amount of coins we don't know, so they didn't give us a specific figure or amount of the coin. They just said a minimum amount of coin, and that is where the problem is right now, because I don't know what is the actual amount they are talking about. And it says which will be small, so it needs to be small. So we don't know the way they want it to be small. We don't actually know the amount of or the rate of it being small, but all we know that it's gonna be small will be eligible for the airdrop. Now users passing either criteria will have a user score defined based on the higher passing criteria. Top players by coins will receive rewards on a non-linear fashion. All right, so for you to be able to qualify for this very particular criteria, you need to make either a ton transaction or you have maybe accumulated some coin. So if I were you, I will do this ton transaction to be able to qualify, because I don't actually know the amount of coins they are talking about here. We don't actually know. They're telling us a small amount of coin and we don't actually know the amount. But as I always say, it's not a financial advice. It's your choice. You can do it if you feel like you want to invest, so you can take the risk, but I'm not giving you that as a financial advice. So right here you also have the bonus criteria. Now this bonus criteria, under here it has hidden criteria, and I don't actually know what this hidden criteria is, but according to my own understanding, this hidden criteria here might be some kind of things to pass in the mini game, maybe the boss level, or to have some Toncoin for gas fee or stuff like that, or to leave about $4 worth of Ethereum in your wallet, according to what I've made research of and I've heard. But I don't actually know what this hidden criterion is. So anytime I get any update about this very particular hidden criteria, I'm gonna post it in my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel will be down in the description of this very particular video, so you can go down and join the Telegram channel to get all these updates. And for the on-chain transaction, this also for those who have purchased the daily make a ton transaction, which is what's about 0.2 ton. So, and this one is for the giveaway participation. For those of you who participated in the spin to earn giveaway, I was one of those who actually earned from the spin to earn. So I got about 0.21 Ethereum. I was one of the lucky winners. So those are other bonus criteria. And for those who participated in MemeFi Premium, will also be getting the bonus criteria, and those who participated in the campaign. Now what is here is that your bonus criteria, according to what I read earlier, the bonus criteria is going to be multiplied by the core user score. That's what I'm understanding here. It says user score x multiplier, which means they are trying to tell us that the core eligibility criteria is going to be multiplied by your bonus criteria right here. That is how the tokens is going to be calculated, and this will specify the amount of airdrop you will be receiving. This actual calculation is going to specify the amount of airdrop you will be receiving. So that's that for this, because it says here this criteria will have specific multipliers to increase your user score. So for you to participate in this bonus criteria, it's going to boost your airdrop allocation. Now it says important, due to the large number of Telegram app users, we have allocated by an order of magnitude large portion of the airdrop supply to the group. It is a few percent to Web3 users against the rest of the airdrop supplied to Telegram app users. And right now, at the time of making this very particular video, if I should check the MemeFi account monthly users, the MemeFi monthly users is about 28,882,067 monthly users, and that's why they have actually allocated 85% of the airdrop to the users. Now if you go back here and read more, this is for the web3 airdrop. Now the web3 airdrop, they are going to be giving those who participated in the testnet points, the mainnet, the testnet festival NFTs, and blah blah blah, like what I mentioned earlier. They are going to be giving them 5% of this particular airdrop. That's what this is about. And here are other criteria for the airdrop, the distribution method, and more. So about the distribution method, I'm going to drop the update in the groups. If I get any information about this very particular method, I'm going to drop it in the Telegram group, so do where to join so that you don't miss anything. And the link to this very particular criteria will be pinned down in the description of this video, so you can read through and get more knowledge on this very particular airdrop. Now if I head over to my MemeFi account or my MemeFi account, here is the premium participation, which is the get the gold rush Lambo package for the cheap. And then right after that one, you should have the daily make a ton transaction. Now if you click on this connect wallet, it's going to take you over to an interface like this, asking you to choose your wallet. So I basically make use of Tonkeeper, so I'm going to be clicking Tonkeeper, and then it's going to redirect you to your Tonkeeper wallet. Now once you get to your Tonkeeper wallet, it's going to ask you to make a transaction of 0.2 Ton. Now if I connect my wallet right now, if I click on complete, it's going to bring me back to this place. And then right now it's telling me to make 0.2 Ton transaction, and here is the network fee and all of this. So this is how you basically complete the make a ton transaction to qualify for the airdrop. You are going to draw this slider over here, and then you are going to put in your passcode, but I won't be doing that. I've basically shown you how to, participate in the airdrop criteria in order to qualify. Now if I head back to this place right now, you can see that on my dashboard currently I have 881,734,838 of this token at this moment. And for you to qualify for the spin to end game, which is the daily giveaway, you come to this place where you have this gas right here, and then you click on the spin icon to actually spin. So you can turn on this spin. It has a multiplier here, so you take it up. Now you click on the spin button, and then it's basically gonna spin. Now once it spins like this, you see I just got 1 Ethereum, so it's basically spin. And after completing this spin, you basically earn Ethereum. And this Ethereum, after completing the Ethereum of earning up to 50 Ethereum, they are going to give you a ticket. Now you are going to wait till maybe 1 a.m. in the morning to see if you are qualified for the giveaway, to check if your ticket is among those who actually qualified for the giveaway. So this is basically how you do this spinning. And right now if I head back to this place, you can see that right here there's a wallet icon here, and if I click on this wallet icon, it's going to bring me over to an interface like this. And now you need to create your wallet. Now you click on the create wallet button, and it's going to bring out a 12 phrase code like this. Write it down on a piece of paper and keep it somewhere safe. It's going to ask you to fill in those phrase code which you copied, and then at the end of the day click on create account, and then you are going to have something looking like this. And for you to be able to transfer this a wallet to your BitGet or your Trust wallet, or either to your MetaMask, what you just basically need to do is to copy the phrase code. You copy this phrase code here, and then you go over to your Trust wallet, and then you paste, and then you click on enter, and then your wallet is going to be transferred right down there. That's just basically all you need to do. So right now there's no any connection of a wallet to Tonkeeper for the airdrop, or for connecting to Binance or Bitget or Bybit or OKX, but they'll initiate this maybe before the listing date. So any information about that will be rendered in my Telegram group, so if you are interested you can join. And when I started this video, I told you I'll be giving you an update on how to basically earn free tokens for yourself. Now, and if I come to this place, I'm going to show you how you basically earn this free token for yourself. Now, if I check up here, you're going to see the fact that right here on this post, on this hamster news, it says you still can earn coins via daily cipher in blue. This is another airdrop. The link to this very particular airdrop will also be linked down there in the description. And then it's right here, it says we are giving away 0.2 tone to first 100 first comments under this post. So what you basically do is just to keep watch on this group. Then anytime they make a post, quickly copy down your wallet address and then paste it and send. Now once you paste in your wallet address here and you are qualified for it, they are going to send you 0.2 tone to the wallet address you've just pasted. So you must be among the first 100. So if you're among the first 100, you are going to be qualified. I actually got some couple of tones from this very particular group, and then I used it for payment. And you can see right here, they do this every day. So you can come right here and then basically earn some couple of tones for yourself. You can see another one right here. This one was around 10 a.m. that was yesterday, and this one was around in the evening section, which is 9 p.m. and then this one is this morning around 9 a.m. so they basically do this every day. So you can come here and earn some couple of tones for yourself. So if you're interested in getting the second tone method for getting free tone, if you're interested in getting the free tone for the second method, I'm going to drop the link down in the description. I'll make a video to show you how you actually earn this free tone, and then I'll drop it in my group and also on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification, so that when I post this very particular update, you will be notified by YouTube and you also take action. So welcome back to the channel, guys. If you really enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to the channel, encourage me, turn on the bell notification, so that when I drop any other amazing video like what you've just watched, YouTube is going to send you a notification and then you will be the first to take action. With this, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.